Hi guys, if you want to remove recent files from Windows Search and recommended items from a start menu in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method to remove recent files from Windows Search. This. First of all, right click on the start menu and then go to settings. Now here, go to privacy and security. And now here, under the Windows permissions, you will be able to see this option, search permissions. Simply click on it. And now scroll down. And here, under the history section, you will be able to see this option, search history on this device. And now, to remove recent files from Windows Search, you have to simply click on this option, clear device search history. So simply click on it. And the search history will be removed from your device. And in case, from now on, if you don't want to see any search history or recent file in your Windows Search, then simply turn off this option. And from now on, you will be not able to see any search history or recent file in your Windows Search. Let's check it out. Go to the Windows Search. And you can see the search history has been cleared and recent file has been removed. Now let's see the next method. To remove recommended items from a start menu, first of all, right click on the start menu and then go to settings. Now here, go to personalization and then scroll down and click on start. And here you will see this option, show recommended files in start, recent file in file explorer and items in jump list. You have to simply disable this option. So simply turn it off. And once you disable this option, the recommended items from a start menu will be removed. And from now on, you will be not able to see any recommended items in the start menu. So let's check it out. Open the start menu. And here you can see the recommended items has been removed. And when you go to the Windows Search, you can see the recent file has been removed from here as well. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily remove recent file from Windows Search and recommended item from a start menu. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.